Pump, pump, pump it up. I finished my story, I'm done. Pump, pump, pump it up. My story's all done. Pump, pump, pump it up. I finished my story, I'm done. Pump, pump, pump it up. Wait, stop.
You might wanna forget it, but you've come this far. It's time to reread and edit. It's not even that hard.
First things first, you've got to read your work aloud. We're listening for fluency, how smooth your story sounds. You might come across a verb whose tense does not agree with its noun or pronoun. Listen up carefully. Hans be running sounds funny. They is running's not okay. It's so easy to get pumped up and overlook small mistakes. Now Hans is running or they are running feels good to say aloud because you properly conjugated your verbs with your nouns.
Don't forget it, because you've come this far. It's time to reread and edit. It's not even that hard.
Listen up now, editing is all about the way your words look. There are a certain set of rules for publishing a book. Mechanics are the name for what I'm about to address. Capitalization, spell check, punctuate. Don't forget indent. Take another really close look with your eyes. Are there any proper nouns you forgot to capitalize? Alright, stop. See Doug with a lowercase d, you better pump, 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 pump it uppercase. See Ball with a capital B, you better downsize to a lowercase. Mr. Lima with a lowercase m, you better pump, 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 pump it uppercase. Reread now, check it all again, don't stop.
Don't forget it, because you've come this far. It's time to reread and edit. It's not even that hard. You won't wanna regret it. You've made a work of art. After revisions, let's edit. Need help where to start. You should make sure to circle any words that might not look correct. You can use a dictionary when necessary for meaning and spell checks. At the beginning of paragraphs, let us not forget to leave some room to indent. We're almost done editing now, Mr. Lieber.
Pump, pump, pump it up, my story's almost done. Pump, pump, pump it up, this editing is fun.
Is it?
Pump, pump, pump it up, my story's almost done. Pump, pump, pump it up, this editing is fun. Last step, gotta pump, pump, punctuate, sing it. Last step, gotta pump, pump, punctuate, sing it. Reread better, pump, pump, punctuate. My periods and commas, never know if my writing will be seen by President Obama. Now, punctuation also includes parentheses. Use them to add something extra, put these words in between. Don't confuse exclamation and question marks. One's for wonders and the other one's for exciting remarks. Lastly, don't forget quotation marks and then use them when someone is speaking. Time to edit, Johnny said.
Don't forget it, because you've come this far. It's time to reread and edit. It's not even that hard. You won't wanna regret it. You've made a work of art. After revisions, let's edit. Need help where to start.
Pump, pump, pump it up. I finished my story, I'm done. Pump, pump, pump it up. Wait, stop.
Time to publish.